welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. I've been doing little unboxings here and there over on TikTok when I get packages, so I thought I would do one here. This is a very collective haul of things I've been getting recently. I have DHgate stuff, I have Target stuff, beauty, toddler clothes and things like that. Just wanted to have like a casual video and also like kind of roam around the house and show you newer things that I picked up, like new furniture and decor. I have everything that I can find linked down below, and follow me on Instagram and over on TikTok if you haven't already. Like I said, I've been posting there quite a bit. Oh, I'll link my beanie. It's from Aloe. Can y'all see that? Down below. And this is the scuba hoodie that has like the full zip. I don't know why I did that, but I'll also link that down below. I get a size small medium, I think. These are some juice glasses and they come out with them seasonally and change the designs. This is kind of like this and Patty's Lucky collection because of the rainbows and the evil eye and then the 4-leaf clover. They're so cute, so thick and heavy. I'm obsessed. The size is perfect for like iced coffee or a fun drink. However, they sell out so darn fast. I missed out already on the Valentine's Day ones. It was like little hearts. They do bees, they do flowers. They have so many designs, so I decided to start collecting them because I'm obsessed. So keep a lookout if you're into glassware like I am. I want to show you these cabinets that I got from Target. Unfortunately, they are sold out. They sold out within days of them coming out. The Magnolia line, so inexpensive. I mean, putting things into perspective, of course, because $500 is still expensive, but compared to the Crate and Barrel ones and all other arch cabinets, these are pretty good for the price. I wanted to show y'all because I don't know what to do. So we had this, and they're two different cabinets from Amazon. So I was like, oh, maybe I'll like connect them, but the height is also a bit off with the legs. So I kind of want to separate them and put the cabinet elsewhere. Keep these towards the ends. Let me know what you guys think. They're just amazing for the price. I feel like once I figure out this space, they're gonna look so good. Right now, they look like a hot mess. I love the fact that yoga pants have made a comeback like for the past 2 years. I was a huge fan in high school and I'm still a fan. These are ribbed yoga pants from Target and I got a size extra small, I believe, in both. They were like $35, which seems like a lot for Target, but I'll try them on and see. I got the beige, which could be questionable, especially because I'm super pale right now, but I also got the pink because, of course. And I have like a matching sports bra from Free People that could look good with these, so hopefully they look good. I will keep you updated. I should have a few try-on hauls coming up. Actually, Maggie sent me these. I don't know if I'm like a huge Gucci belt girly. I used to wear them a ton back in college when they first like popped off. This is what it looks like. This is like the pearled version, which is super cute. I don't really go out anymore. I don't wear stuff like this. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Take a measuring tape and measure your waist or your hips, and then look through the sizing guide, because if not, it's impossible. Then this is the other one. This one's pretty cute too. It's more interesting than the regular Gucci belt. I like the little small one back in college. I think that one looked best on me. Info in the back. They're really good. I just don't really see myself wearing them, so we'll see. I don't want to talk about this for too long just because I just posted a video on these. So I paid 50 bucks for these. They are real suede. They feel really good. They're super soft. I will say the only thing that I don't love is, as you can see, like they're like a true slipper. So when I put my foot in, like it kind of, I wish this was like a tad bit taller to hold onto my ankle. I know that's like super dumb, but it's just like something I wish it had. The real ones are the exact same way, but yeah, this is what they look like. I got a size 7, and on my like to know, you can see the style number is 10. The listing is pretty confusing because they have these, like the Tasman, they also have the mini Uggs, and then they also have like the regular Ugg slippers. So, and then this is the box that they came in. I mean, they look pretty darn good to me, you know. I've never really ordered Uggs from DHgate before, and I'm pretty impressed, especially for the price and how hard it is to get these. Like 10 out of 10. And let's open together what I got from H&M. I got stuff for Olivia and stuff for my trip like tropical vacation. I could not resist this print for Olivia in a little swimsuit. Like all her first bathing suits were from H&M, so now they have a special place in my heart, and this is precious. She is going to love it. She loves animals so much. It makes me so proud. This top is for me. It's so cute. I had to get a medium because everything else was sold out, but I did pick up the black and white version in a small, so we'll see which one fits better. This is a cute little matching set that comes together. I love the bright florals, and they keeps telling me that summer is upon us and I need to stop buying her long sleeve stuff. This is like a super lightweight material. I love putting her in matching sets. It just makes my life so much easier because I don't have to figure out an outfit. And I got her another one of these rompers. We already have it in the same print but orange, like a burnt orange color, and I don't know, I think this is more spring summery, so might return the other one and keep this one. But it's like a terry cloth material and it's so cute. I love these. Something a little different that I don't really wear, but I thought it was kind of cute, maybe with shorts or jeans. This little pink top with the eyelet sleeves. It's so darling. Like, that's the only word I can think of to describe it. It's so pretty. Oh, I got some shorts, so I'll try that on maybe tomorrow. So pleasantly surprised with the material of this. The colors are beautiful. It's a waffle material, which is so nice. I love the fact that it's like short sleeve and shorts. It's a pajama set. I don't know if I said that already. I have a lot of like satin and things like that, but I think this is gonna be perfect. I think I might wear this tonight actually. How freaking cute. So the pants and the top for these are sold separately, which I think is kind of smart. So I picked up the pants and the, oh my god, what was that, and the little crop top. So the pants I got, I think 12 to 18, just because she has short legs, and I got these in a size up, which is 1.5 to 2T. This is like such a random story, but my aunt, who's like obsessed with fashion, always compliments Olivia's shoes, and I'm so proud because they're all from H&M. They're all like under 20 bucks. So I got 2 more springy summery shoes, these little sandals, and then these. Oh, look at the espadrille. Oh, I can't. This is so cute. These are kind of like suede, and these are gonna be perfect for like hotter days. Super good quality though. Like, I have nothing bad to say about H&M shoes. Not only is the price point amazing because they grow out of them so quick, but y'all, I swear the quality is incredible. Like, I can tell she is comfortable when she's wearing these shoes. Not these, but like H&M ones in general. Y'all, Dossier sent me more perfumes, and our bathroom upstairs is starting to look like a Dossier store, and it's not even intentional. It's just we like Dossier. And 2 people this week texted me about Dossier. My brother's girlfriend told me her sister wants to try Dossier, like what I would recommend, and then my other friend was like, hey, can I come over and smell your Dossier? I saw your I posted about our shelves in the bathroom, and she's like, I just want to smell them and see which one I want to order. So if you're wondering though, Dossier does have like a free returns policy, like no questions asked. If you don't like it for whatever reason, you can totally return it or exchange it for free. That's not the point, but just wanted to let you know that. I got this one for my husband, and to be honest, not my favorite. I like more musky scents, and this one is spicy vanilla. Then I'm gonna give it to my dad. Spicy mimosa. Let's smell this one. I haven't even smelled it. Joe Malone. Ooh, I want to take a class, if that's even a thing, to like know more about like scents and notes and base notes and middle notes, you know. Floral berries, and this one is also Joe Malone, and this one is more fruity, obviously. Ooh, ooh, spring vibes. Oh my god, Olivia's asleep. Damn it. Fruity jasmine. I don't know why I thought I had this already. I feel like I do. You know who has it? My mom. Okay, this I already own, but they renamed it, and I wanted to make sure it smelled the same before, like, I keep recommending the old one to y'all, because the old one is like one of my favorites. It smells better actually. It's a fruity almond, and this is like Carolina Herrera Good Girl. 10 out of 10. Please get it. It's so good. Fruity honey. I'm not a fan of honey in food except spicy honey and pizza. 10 out of 10. But I don't love the scent of honey, so let's see how this smells. It doesn't smell like honey at all to me, but it smells really good. It smells like something from my childhood. It has peach, which is one of my all-time favorite like notes. Not that I know anything about notes, but it smells really good. I love changing up my perfume. That's like one thing about me, which is why I love working with Dossier. So there's that. I went to Ulta one day and I blacked out. I swear, like within 10 minutes I was spending like $200. I don't know what happened. I got the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair mask. It's like a treatment. It's not really conditioning, I will say. I've used it quite a bit and I don't feel like my hair is any softer, but it's supposed to like strengthen your hair and moisturize it. This brand is really good. I would say the problem with it, at least like that I have, is that because it doesn't have any additives or anything like that, like silicones, I don't see immediate results, which is what I want when I use hair stuff. So it's like a, you know, but I actually found these at Marshall's for like $20 less. This is the Superfood Banana and Coconut Nourishing Shampoo. I don't know why it was at Marshall's, but I've heard great things. I've been using it. I actually took it on our ski trip and so far so good. I'm actually not even a fan of banana. I hate how it smells, and this actually smells really good. It smells like a pina colada minus a pina with banana. This is the Scene Dermatologist Design Hair Care that won't clog your pores. I know that sounds weird, but I think I'm just like allergic to an ingredient in dry shampoos. It's probably talc. Hopefully, if I take better care of my hair, invest in good quality products, I will like my hair more. At least that's what I'm telling myself. So this sounded good. It was pretty pricey. I like the scent. It's not overpowering or anything. It lathers. I hate that word. I can't say it. Lathers really well. I feel like these like healthier shampoos usually don't, but this one does. Listen, I have about 0 words for how I feel right now, but I will find them, don't worry. I have been eyeing this romper for about a year now. I thought it was the cutest thing. I love this print. I love the colors. I think they're so fun. And honestly, I was gonna say, honestly, it's not that bad. No, it is pretty bad. It's 20 times worse than I imagined. I think it's the sleeve situation that make it look like this is a parachute slash, I don't know. Oh God, I don't know. And then like half my boob is in this like ruffle situation. I have no words. I can't like, I was about to say conjugate a sentence. That is not English. The point is, this was like $100, maybe $200 from Revolve. I wanted to give it a try. If I wore this in Puerto Rico, I think I could never step foot back in that island again. I would get roasted by people that I know from high school until the end of my days. And also, I just don't feel cute in it. I feel like I'm supposed to be like flying like a butterfly like I do for Olivia. It's just not for me. Like the puffy sleeves, this is my husband's worst nightmare actually. He hates like those maxi dresses that have the puffy sleeves that end like are this big. This which sucks because like the print is so cute. This would be adorable if it had a different vibe at the top, and it was too expensive to alter it, so like no. Okay, this top is so much cuter than I imagined it would be. And then y'all, H&M, oh my god, I hate the fact that these are not actual pockets. Okay, it's fine. H&M snapped. They put it all in these shorts that are $17. Fit me better than any high-end, a Goldie, Abercrombie, anything short. A size 4. They're loose in all the right places. I'm not like, you know, my thighs and all that. And they just fit so well. I'm obsessed. Like, I literally cannot believe. They just fit so right. Like, there's no need for shorts to gather up at your ankle or at your thighs, you know, like you don't need to be constantly pulling them down. They're just incredible, and like for the price I would buy them for like triple, so there's that. Anyway, yeah, just wanted to say that and try these on because I'm obsessed. So guys, that's everything for today's video. Let me know how you feel about this more casual style video. Not like a vlog style, but it's still a sit down video. Does that make sense? I don't know. I do need to get back into vlogging. I just feel like, especially lately, my life has been like, not that it has not been interesting. I will say that. I did have the intention of vlogging in Colorado, for example, but then I was like just trying to do the TikTok thing and live in the moment, and then I didn't do it. So maybe my next trip I'll vlog, but I kind of want to do like health updates and do an Olivia update and things like that, so maybe I'll do that tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see when I wash my hair because it's not looking good. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one. Bye.